You're not stuck or confused because you lack potential or capability. You are stuck or confused because there's a gap between where you are now and where you want to be. And maybe no one has ever helped you to close it. But here I am now to help you. I'm sure you've probably heard me use this concept before, but that was in a business context. Now we are applying it to personal development, and I think it's an absolute game changer. This is what I use every time I want to move to the next level, and it has never failed me. It will expose the gaps and make moving to the next level easier and faster. If you follow through to the end of this video and you carry out the activities step by step, it will expose your gaps, and when it does, I don't want you to just know. I want you to swing into action immediately. So let's go devour it. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow fast and some feel stuck in the same place, always complaining and struggle to grow? Let me expose the secret to you now. It is often found in one practice, and it is gap analysis. So let's give this concept a quick spotlight before going to learn how to apply it step by step. So what is gap analysis? Gap analysis helps you identify the gap between your current state and your desired state, so you can create an action plan to close the gap. Simply put, the difference between where you are now and where you want to be. So the gap is what you have to close. Gap analysis is a tool widely used in business and project management. And as a business analyst, this is the first step I tell every business owner to take. But I discovered that it's incredibly effective for personal growth as well. And it's so good and effective that I had to include it in the Intentional Living Challenge foundation level, and I created a beautiful framework around it. So let me quickly share the importance of gap analysis with you. The first thing is it forces you to be honest with your current reality. The second thing is it makes your goals specific and measurable. The third thing is it highlights the exact area of your life that needs improvement. By actually doing this analysis, it will help you to stop feeling stuck and actually move with clarity and confidence towards the person you want to be. Many people are unable to apply this process or close the gaps because they have never really taken out time to do a proper analysis. They just make it up in their head and assume they know, and they are working towards it. And what that assumption does is to keep you on the linear path of life and make you go round in cycles. I said that because I used to be like that, but now I know better, that to achieve results, you have to walk into the results. So if you really want to achieve results or see some recognizable progress, then you have to sit down with a pen and a paper, identify the gaps, and take the required action. And just so you know, without identifying or closing the gaps in your life regularly, you are driving blind in life, which most people are doing, by the way, and I don't want you to be like most people. So how do you do a personal gap analysis? I hope you have your pen and paper ready, because I'm about to give you a step-by-step process. So the first step is to define your desired state. Write down exactly who you want to become, or where you want to be, or any area of your life you want to improve. It could be in the next 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. Just to be specific. Then go further by asking these questions. What habits do I have in my desired state? What does a day in my life look like in my desired state? What skills have I mastered in my desired state? What mindset do I carry in my desired state? Be as detailed as possible. I did this particular exercise last year, and here I am in my desired state according to the exercise I did. And can I be very honest? It's now my ground floor for my next desired state. Almost everything I'm exposed to now, I didn't know a year ago. And it's so fascinating and mind-blowing to me how a lot can truly happen in a year if you are being intentional. And now I have done a new one. So next year, by the grace of God, I'll probably share my new level with you. And I hope you'll be sharing yours with me as well. This is a friendly reminder. If you have probably not been taking my previous prompts in other videos seriously, you see this particular video, don't joke with it. I mean, be very intentional about this particular one. In fact, share with somebody you truly love and you want to see grow. Step 2, assess your current state. Don't sugarcoat this step. Be brutally honest about where you are today. I'm sure you've probably never tracked how you got to where you are. You just found yourself wherever you are right now. So ask yourself, what are your current habits? Are they serving you or doing you a disservice? What does a day in your current life looks like? Is it chaotic or purposeful? What kind of mindset do you have? What shapes your thoughts and your beliefs? So don't skip step 1 and jump to step 2 because you'll be missing the whole point. Just see it like a game where if you don't finish level 1, you can't unlock level 2. That's the only way you can make it enjoyable for yourself and truly see what's possible for you. So let's go unlock level 3. Step 3, identify the gap. This is where the truth stares you in the face. So in a tabular form, compare your desired state to your current state and extract the gaps in it. What's missing in your habits? What's missing in your day? What's missing in your skills? What's missing in your mindset, thoughts, or beliefs? You can actually use ChatGPT at this stage just to make it easier and faster for you. But ensure you have a clear level 1 and level 2 so that you can get a definite level 3. I actually did mine manually last year because I didn't even think of using ChatGPT, but you don't have to do yours manually. So after you have identified the gaps, we still have one more level to unlock because the essence of the analysis is not just for you to know the gap. Step 4, create a map. And a map stands for a massive action plan. This is what will determine if you get to your desired state or not, because it's not enough to know the gap. You have to act on it. This is where you drink a lot of intentional living, because now you are not just doing things randomly. You're doing from a place of knowing and understanding, which requires a lot of intention. And by now you should have identified the habits you need to build going forward, the skills you need to master going forward, the kind of mindset, thoughts, and beliefs you need to practice, and most importantly, set deadlines and milestones for yourself. Most people might get to this step, but what separates those that get results from those that don't is the follow-through and not the knowledge. So ensure to follow through on your plan, because this is how you begin to create your dream life and live by design, one intentional action at a time. So let me quickly break down why gap analysis works all the time. The first thing is it turns vague desires into specific targets. So instead of saying I want to be better, you know exactly how you want to be better or which area of your life you want to improve. The next thing is it also keeps you accountable and focused, because now you are no longer chasing after everything or building blindly. You are building from a place of knowing and understanding, which is what intentional living is all about. The next thing is it also gives you a new identity by making your current identity obsolete and giving you new priorities to work with, just so you can draw the line in the sand. Most importantly, it helps you become a newer version of yourself, and sometimes it could be a 10.0 version. So before I let you off, remember, a life that is left to itself will naturally tend towards default. For your life to grow, it requires intention. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you. Share this video with another intentional soul or someone you love and want to see grow. Most importantly, subscribe and don't forget to stay intentional with your actions, and I'll see you in the next video.